Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Unique, and today we're just going to see how to insert a date on your Canva sheets on your computer. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert the date on your Canva sheets on your computer, I just going to show in this video. For an example, just want to insert a date here, here, and here. So to insert date, you just need to click on the action button on the top, and in the search action, you just need to type as date, and you have an option called date. So click on the select date. So you can just select the random date. So it's just going to show. Just click select date, click this, and now click here, and you can just change the month, and also you can just select the date, which date you just needed. So for an example, you just need to change the date again. So for an example, it's a 14th May. Just click here and you can just change to 15th May. This is the way that you can insert the date and use the date on your Canva sheets on your computer. It's simple. You can just insert multiple date by using this. Just go to the action button, just type as date, select the date, and just insert this. And I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Unique. Have a wonderful day.